Yo, check my feet out, man. Check my feet out. I'm trying to go slow so y'all can see it. Can y'all see the feet? Y'all should be able to see the feet. Hold up. Y'all see the feet. Hold up. Y'all see the whole outfit, right? Y'all see, y'all know what those are, right? The infrared black sixes, right? 2014 version, whatever you wanna call it. Y'all see them. Y'all see them. Look, y'all wanna know how to make these? Stay tuned. You gotta be getting the shot.
I know,
bro. You getting it?
Uh-huh.
Right. That's two. Woo. I'm just nice. I'm gonna put a shot shooter. Corner specialist on Hall of Fame. They go three. Ooh.
I'd probably take him.
User overall 55, no badges. Type of YouTube scrub, played poorly, I was lagging. User overall 75, blue badges. Type of YouTube scrub, want the ball, defense lagging.
There you go. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I got one more right here, right?
Uh-huh.
That's the fourth one. That's the fourth one. I got four. What's up?
TWIN.
Alright, y'all, welcome back, man. Look, man, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. You did, we do upload 2K content, but look, let me also, also to my people that's coming back, my returning viewers, especially my returning viewers from previous years, when I make the Chuck Taylors, I'll probably bring y'all a video on that. Gucci slippers, I don't think we can make those this year. I'm gonna look more into it and see if I can make those. And the reason why I would say Chuck Taylors is because of the fact that they do have Chuck Taylors in the game, but if you already signed with a shoe company, you can't wear those. Y'all get what I'm saying? So I will be bringing that. Yeah, this year you don't get gold for like making 97. So like the gold rush, color, the color wave, I'll bring that to you guys. The gold rush colorways, basically your gold shoes, like the gold shoes, and so much more as far as shoes. But something new that I'm bringing to my channel, go ahead and bring y'all the shoes. Why not? You dig? Because I'm having fun myself going back making these shoes. You dig? So like I said, infrared sixes, infrared, are they called infrared 23 sixes? I'm not sure what they call, bro, but the infrared sixes, basically in these type of videos, I'm gonna name the type of shoe, right? Show you the visual like I just showed you guys, and then I'm gonna actually give you guys the proper way to make them. As you can see right here, the whites, I have the whites, I got a lot of them, you feel me? I got the Gatorade sixes, whatever. Let me know what y'all want in the comment section. I'm gonna continue to do them on my own, but let me know, like, maybe you want the Olympics, well, excuse me, maybe you want the Raptor 7s, because they already got the Olympics in the game. But the infrared 2014s, those are the sixes blacks. Here we go right here. Now with these right here, I done them oh man, I might gotta move me out the way. Hold up, let me move me out the way. I hate to move me out the way, but we gotta do it. We're gonna make me smaller, you feel me? We're gonna make me smaller. You dig? We're gonna make me smaller. Y'all don't need to see me anyway. But the thing with these infrareds right here, what I did as far as the base and like the black, I tried out velvet, and it actually came out pretty decent as far as on the actual shoe. Like, y'all know the actual shoe, they're like suede. You can use suede, you can use whatever material you want, but I know most of you are coming because y'all want to see how I got the icy blue sole and basically the shoe. That's how the shoe look, right? So we're just gonna go over it. The base fabric, I use fabric, excuse me. I thought I used velvet, excuse me, but I use fabric, regular black. Like, you can go to anybody team color and just go regular black, right? Back out of that. Just copy what I got. Y'all see it. Base accent. Yeah, like I said, I did use velvet. I don't know why fabric is right here. I think it's the deviate the difference of the layers. Y'all get what I'm saying? So I use fabric on base, and base accent I use velvet. Every other black layer I use velvet. I'm pretty sure. Well, besides the sole rubber, right? Outsole rubber, outsole accent. Now copy these numbers down right here. All you gotta do is go to your color palette and you hit X, the toggle, and you can copy these same digits. This is the color that I use. Of course, you can deviate and go lighter, and that goes for any other shoe that I bring you guys that got an icy gum sole. Maybe you want it to be lighter. Some shoes are like lighter. Maybe you want it to be just like this. This is the icy gum color code that I got. We got 212, 34, 88. Y'all see the numbers that I'm over there? Y'all see? Just go to the color palette, select X, and you put in these numbers, you'll get the exact color that I have. Oh shit, I did not mean to do that. What was that? 88? Right? And then you gotta hit X again to go to the other side. But normally you don't have to do that. Once you hit X one time, you put 212 in, 34, and 88. The numbers on the right will change. The RGB version, they will change. Or you can do the RGB and do 148, 183, 224, and the HSV on the left, those numbers would coexist to where they would manipulate, they would change to 212, 34, 88. Y'all get what I'm saying? That's the easiest way to get the same icy blue sole that I have, right? And like I said, this video don't have to be long at all. Midsole, I have black. And of course, like I said, outsole, your midsole, stuff like that. Rubber, excuse me. Going back to the icy sole, I use rubber. I always use rubber, bro. When it comes to the icy gum sole, like when you want to get like a gummy looking sole, even when it comes to like Air Forces, use rubber. Y'all get what I'm saying? And use a rubber. Yeah, always use a rubber. You dig me? But midsole accent, like this is another color. Y'all might want to get that, what is this? More like a coral type of red. You might want to get that infrared look right here. Boom. You can come to your RGB or your HSV. It does not matter whichever one you come to. Come to your color palette. We got 243, 57, and 70, right? Now, of course, y'all can do whatever you want to do. Like maybe you want to use the 76ers red. Maybe you want to do that. It's up to you. But I'm just bringing you guys the infrared 2014s, aka the infrared black 60s. Y'all get what I'm saying? I'm guessing these are the originals, the black ones, right? Back out of that, the midsole and everything. Just copy my layers. Once you get that color, once you get your colorways, you just go to recent colors, right? Well, hold up. I gotta go here, and then I gotta go to color palette and maybe go over one, come back, apply it, right? And then I go to recent colors. Whoa, it should have been there. Goddamn, I think I got it in my favorite colors. No, that's my goal right there for favorite color. For my goal video that I told y'all. All right, let me see. Color palette, I'm gonna have to change it. Go over just a little bit. Boom. I'm not gonna save this shoe, so it doesn't matter. There's my recent color. Once you get it, you can just come back, just put it on your recent color. Like it'll be black, and then this, and then the blue. It'll be 3 colors. So then you just come out to your recent color. So every layer, you cut midsole accent 1, you come back and you go to recent colors, and you just select that, right? And you just go to every layer. You can go to every layer and do the red, excuse me, midsole accent 3. I think that's the last layer. Now we have heel scrap accent right here. The heel scrap back there. Go to recent colors, right? Go to recent colors, boom, right? Everything else is like black. See what I'm saying? Buckle, of course, in the front. Same color and so forth. And the tongue logo, right? Now, I'm going to start over so y'all can get all of it, right? Cause I know y'all like, you going too fast. All right, base black, right? I ain't gonna say nothing. Y'all got it. Just going through everything. And then, of course, you can pause the video as well. But I'm going slowly so I know that y'all got it, right? And like I said, the fabric is rubber for like the sole, the midsole, and the outsole. I just use rubber, right? But when it comes to like the and for the coral red as well, the infrared, that color of the infrared, like infrared beam, yes, I use rubber as well. All midsoles rubber, right? Anything dealing with the sole rubber, and the toe as well, I did rubber. That's right here at the top right there. That's the toe, rubber as well, right? The heel I use rubber. That's the back right there, right? Rubber black. Heel scrap, I think I use rubber there too. Heel scrap, that's the black portion of that, where the core red is. Y'all know what that is. Y'all look, it's that. Y'all see what changed colors? It's that right there. Rubber, I use rubber. Now you can use whatever fabric you want, but you want to get them to look just like these, look like the infrared 2014s or the infrared black 6s. Here you go. Infrared scrap, well, excuse me, the heel scrap. Y'all got that color already, right? We went to the color palette. That's not the correct color right there, if I'm not mistaken, because I did change it, remember? But y'all got the original color, right? The original color, y'all got that. Lining black, tongue accent black, and like I said, yeah, that's even rubber too. Well, that's the tongue. Like y'all know the tongue, y'all want to have some type of little shiny effect. All you gotta do is look up these shoes and you'll see it, right? Let me go to somewhere where it's going to be the heel logo. I didn't make it black. I used the other, like when you go to Team Color, they got black, and then they got like a charcoal, like a black. I use that so you can actually see the logo if you try to look at my shoes. And I use velvet, you know what I mean? Right? And the tongue, same thing for the tongue logo accent. Right? Where it says Jordan right there. I done the same thing, except use rubber. Get what I'm saying? But like I said, I could have sworn I used, hold up, let me find, because we did go over everything. Let me see. It's only 2, okay, it was only base accent, that's velvet. Let me see, that's this right here. So y'all see. Y'all see that right there? What's changing? See what I'm saying? That's what that is. That's the only thing that I turned velvet, if I'm not mistaken. Because the base itself was fabric black. You want a deviation. Y'all get what I'm saying? So these right here, the infrared 2014s, infrared black 6s, whatever y'all call them, whatever floats your boat. These are these. You dig? Next video, the next time I bring y'all a video, it'll probably be another one. And if you have a issue with shoes, you should know the glitch. Remember, it was a glitch years back that you can actually, once you have a shoe, like if you purchase a shoe, like right now I got real gold shoes. Like these are how the gold shoes. They don't look gold right here, but when you put them on, they do. These are the ones, right? Once you buy a shoe, you can just go change the name and delete the shoe and then change. Y'all know the glitch. Y'all should know the glitch. If y'all don't, I'm pretty sure there's a video out there. If it's not a video out there to do it, I will. I gotta look it up and see if there's a video out there. If it is not, and y'all want that video, boom. All you gotta do is spend $10,000 one time, because they are charging us for our shoes, our custom shoes this year. You dig? But till next time, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section, man, what shoes y'all want next. I'll probably bring y'all the infrared, the white ones next. I might bring y'all the white ones next, or I might just flip the script and go to the 7s. And y'all get me. Till next time, man, it's me, boy Twin. Look, be yourself or be everybody else. And I'm out. Peace.
I'm searching for heaven cause I know what hell feel like. Can't nothing take you through the fire like real life. It's like I'm on borrowed time trying to steal life, and you just judging like you the one that give life. Hope you niggas study, cause life gon' test you. Try to do the right thing, them haters won't let you. Better keep it cool cause the cops wanna switch you. Hope you got your game tight cause them robbers wanna stretch you. It's the game of life, but ain't nobody playing. We all trying to win, but it seems nobody can. I don't think us winning was ever part of the plan, cause they be so quick to send us to cemeteries and pens, and we hungry, so we get it out the streets.